You say you can't be chic in the rain. It's raining cats and dogs here. I'm so serious. Getting ready to give you guys an inside look at the rain. So I'm just gonna stop and get somewhere and dine in and grab a bite to eat to get around driving in this rain. Yeah. Who knew we were gonna have rain today? Like, the forecast did not say we were gonna have rain, so I'm just totally baffled as to how the bottom of the sky fell out. Awkward. Hope you guys are having a great day out there in YouTube. I have another 3-day weekend that I am looking forward to. So just know I need a lot of planning to do. So I have a lot of planning to do. Just heard myself. So yeah, I tried to correct myself whenever I make a mistake. Although we're human. Anyway, so I went to Apple and got that Seaport, which is known to the world as a block. So now I won't have to worry about my phone not charging. Okay? Alright guys, the light has changed, so I'll have to talk to you later. Gotta stay focused and dialed in. Until next time. Oh my gosh, girl, it's so cloudy out here. I'm just gonna pull over. It's no need to even drive in the rain. Look. Who else turn their flashers on when it rains, when it pours? Besides me, I do.